Hello, today we will guide you through how to add testimonials to your Framer websites. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find high-quality testimonial components in Framer's marketplace and how to bring them into your project with just a couple of clicks. Start by opening your browser and searching for Framer. In the results, click the official Framer site that reads, Framer, create a professional website. Free. No-code website. This takes you to the home page. From here, look at the top navigation and open the Resources menu. In that menu, select Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Framer curates templates, components, and other building blocks that you can drop directly into your designs. Once the Marketplace loads, switch to the Components section. Components are ready-made, configurable pieces of UI, perfect for things like testimonial sliders, grids, and cards. In the search bar, type Testimonials and press Enter. This narrows the results to components designed specifically for showcasing customer quotes and logos. Next, use the pricing filter and choose Free. This is a helpful way to explore without committing to a paid plan or license. You'll now see a set of free testimonial components you can try immediately. Browse through the options and click a sample component that matches your site's style, maybe a simple card layout, a carousel, or a grid with avatars and company logos. On the Components page, you can usually preview how it behaves, check what's editable, and confirm compatibility. When you're ready, click Copy Component. If you aren't signed into Framer, you may be prompted to log in before copying. With the component copied, switch to your Framer project. On the canvas, right-click and choose Paste. You can also use your system's Paste shortcut if you prefer. The component will appear on your canvas, fully functional and ready to customize. From here, you can replace placeholder text with real testimonials, swap images or avatars, and adjust brand colors and typography so everything aligns with your design system. If the component uses variants or overrides, take a moment to explore its Properties panel. This is where you can toggle layouts, enable or disable elements like star ratings, and fine-tune spacing. As you position it on your page, check responsiveness at different breakpoints to ensure quotes look great on mobile and desktop alike. That's it. You searched for Framer, went to the Marketplace, filtered for free testimonial components, copied your favorite, and pasted it into your project. Enjoy building a trustworthy, polished testimonial section with ease.